welcome to Cosplay Kitchen. Today we're going on an adventure through North Africa and making some African spiced cookies. So today I'm cosplaying an explorer and we're going to be exploring Ras Al Hanout, a fabulous African spice, and making African spiced cookies with a warm, spicy touch for your hot August nights. So hop on in, join the party, and let's get started. Whisking together all of our dry ingredients. Like most cookies, we're going to start out with some flour. Today we're going to be using baking soda as our leavening agent, and salt. What's a cookie recipe without some salt? The spice we're using today is a North African spice called Ras Al Hanout. Think of it as kind of the gram masala of North Africa. It's got this amazing earthy flavor. It's pungent like curry, but a lot richer, has a lot more depth to it. It's got turmeric in it. And turmeric is going to give the cookies this beautiful golden color. Now, kind of like seasoning salt, every Ras Al Hanout is going to be a little bit different. I tend to lean towards ones that have more rose in them, so have a little bit more of a floral. So if you want your cookies to be similar to mine, look for ones that tend to have that floral in them. Or I'll also put the link in the description below of the one that I get from Amazon. So pouring quite a bit of that. We're going to go ahead and whisk it all together, making sure that it's nice and incorporated so that way everything gets evenly put out all throughout the cookie piece. So we're going to start out with some vegetable shortening today instead of butter. Then some white sugar. No brown sugar today. I'll explain in just a moment. And we're going to beat that together until it's nice and light and fluffy. Perfect. That's exactly what we're looking for. We're going to add in molasses. Now, brown sugar is basically white sugar with a light coating of molasses. Hence why we don't need any brown sugar today. This is going to give it a really nice deep flavor and also make the cookies incredibly moist. I like to pour my molasses straight from the bottle. Once you use a lot of molasses frequently, you'll get better and better at it. It's kind of like free pouring alcohol. You always want to start out with measuring, but once you get better at it, this is a lot easier. Let's go ahead and get that all mixed together. Fantastic. Shouldn't take much more than a minute. We have 2 eggs today. Now, if you remember from previous episodes, we always go and do our eggs one at a time. Eggs have whites and they have yolks that have less of it, which helps to create an emulsion between the fats and the liquids. It's 1 egg. Perfect. Now let's go ahead and add in our dry ingredients. Yep. We're going to be adding them in 3 batches to make sure it doesn't fly everywhere. 1 and batch number 3. And we're already starting to smell those warm African spices. Oh. My kitchen is going to smell amazing. This time we're going to be going and rolling them into balls using the same cookie disher that we use oftentimes on this channel. If you don't have one already, come on, get with the game, go out and get one. So we're going to scoop it up with a medium-sized cookie disher, roll it up into a ball, then roll it in some sugar. Now here's the great part about rolling it in sugar. Sugar is what we call hygroscopic, which means that it goes and sucks up moisture. So if you go make these 2 or 3 days in advance and you put them in the fridge, they're not going to get a weird dry crust on the outside. They're going to be just fine. These cookies, however, are going to go directly into a 350-degree oven. So there you have it, African spice cookies made with Ras Al Hanout, giving it a wonderful golden color and a beautiful warm spice. So thank you so much for joining us today. Be sure to throw us up a like, maybe even consider subscribing. Join us on Mondays for a new cosplay, cocktail, or a recipe. And in the meantime, don't eat yellow snow.